our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to Colado Graphics Design channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can create a motion blur using the Pixellab app. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing video. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So just like I said earlier, I'll be teaching you guys how you can create motion blur using Pixellab app. So the first thing you'll be doing is that you'll be changing the background color. You'll be changing it to white. So after changing the background color to white like this, the next thing you'll be doing now is that you'll be importing the image you want to create motion blur for. You'll be importing it from your gallery. So once you import the image like this, you move to opacity. Move to opacity and reduce the opacity of the image. After reducing the opacity like that, the next thing you'll be doing is that copy the image and make sure you place it on top very well. So just make sure you place it is not well placed on each other. Make sure you place it that it is not well placed on the whole image. You make sure you place it just like I placed mine. So the next thing, you copy it again. You increase the opacity for the copy image. Then you copy another one. You copy it again. Then place it just like we placed the old one. So just place it like this. Increase the opacity for this as well. You copy this again, then place it on top of it again. Increase the opacity for this as well. Just by increasing the opacity little by little. So you copy it again, then place it on top. Copy it again, increase the opacity, then place it on top as well.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love.
Make sure you increase you make sure it is well placed on each other. Copy the image again, then we can increase this to 100% opacity, then place it on top like this. Then we place it on top like this. Then the next thing we'll be doing now is that we will be creating a fading gradient. So we move to shape to do that. Then we create a fading gradient. I'll be putting the link to a video that will be teaching you how to create a fading gradient. I'll be putting the link in the video description. So let's say you are using a white background for this. You just change this for the image you want to, the design you want to create using this image. If you are using a white background, you just change this image. You just change this fading gradient, change it to white. But if you are not using a white background, what you'll be doing is that you make sure the fading gradient the fading gradient is in the color of the background we want to use the image for. Let's say we are creating a pink design. We'll be using pink like this. So we'll be using a pink like this. Then you make sure the image that is in 100% is on top of the fading gradient. So let's put this as white. So as you can see the image is just it is showing like it is in a motion. It is like a motion blur image. So that is just how you can create a motion blur using your Pixellab app. Thanks for watching.